Hello and welcome to Fun with Java. Today I'm going to teach you about the array in Java. I will first show you all the slides about the concept of array, and on next I will display you the example. So first, let me just give you a concept of array. It's a type of storage method that in programming to help us to store the data to execute our program. Okay, for example, array is like a file in our computer that store the data one by one. So everything the data we can stay inside an array to store the data, and we can use the data from the array. Yep. So the array can use to store a number of elements of same type. Remember this is very important. It's different from the file, usual file in our computer. It can only store in the same type of the element. For example, if you declare a array name A and you declare it as integer, so in this array A, is integer elements can be only stored in this array. Besides, an array size is needed to declare before you create the array. So it's a bit different from usual storage method. For array, you have to give a size to the array for it to use. For example, if you want to store 5 elements in the array, so you at the first declaration you have to declare the array as size 5. So you have to declare it. So for example, like this, the size is 8. 3 plus 5, the size is 8. So you have to declare it. So the data is arranged in the order of index in the array. So it starts at 0. So the first elements in the array, the index of the element is 0. So start at 0, 1, 2, 3. So and it's arranged in ascending order. If you store the data, you start at 0, index 1, index 2. So the index, it means the position of the elements or the data that you save in the array. So for example, if array A, the position index as 2 equal to 1000, so 1000 is at where position? Is at third. So because it starts at 0 and 1 and 2, so it's third elements. And if you want to know the length of the array, for example, you forget that how much that you declare at the first, so you can just array dot length. It will show you the size of the array. For example, the array is size 5, so a dot length equal to 5. Next, I will show you how to declare the array, and we use this. So select Java. Okay, so at first, if you want to declare an array, okay, this is the declaration of the array. So here is the name of the array. Name of array. So this is the name of the array. So the type of array is integer, and the size is 5. So now I just put in if name of array the first element that I want to put is 1005, 1004. And the second and 1003. So it will store the first element is 1004 and the second element is 1003. So let us print so let's just try. So I print the first element in the array. The index 0 is 1004 and I print another second element in the array which is index 1 is 1003. Okay, what if, because I only store the first and the second elements in the array, but the size of the array is 5, so it can store more. What if I print a 3, the fourth element in the array, because I didn't store anything, so what he will give us? He will give us 0. So whenever the element that you didn't save in the array, it will automatically declare it as null or 0. So if you don't want it, you will just store it the number. The fourth, I want 5000. So let's just try. So it will display the 5000. Yeah, so that's all for Java. Therefore, so array in Java is very easy to understand. It's like a file, and each element in the array got its each position or index. So if you want to get out the data from the index, or you must declare the specific position of index.